Okay. So there are a lot of people that don't want you to make a lot of money in this bull market that's going to be coming, all right? There's a lot of people that have been very outspoken to this place, right? So what I'm talking about right now is the bear market. It's in that casket right now. It ain't going anywhere. It's done. Bear market's finished, all right? Good. I'm going to get a lot of hate from this, but let me go over someone that has been very, very bearish lately and hates Bitcoin and hates you making a lot of money. So Jamie Dimon said, Bitcoin is a hyped up fraud. Let's dive deeper, all right? So he also said, how do you know it's going to stop at 21 million? Maybe it's going to get to 21 million and Satoshi's picture is going to come up and laugh at you all. Jamie Dimon said this. This is the head of JP Morgan, which is one of the largest banks in the world. What's he getting at here? Let's dive a little bit deeper of why he's saying things like this. The U.S. national debt just hit $31.5 trillion, which is $94,000 per citizen. Imagine that. He doesn't want you to know that. Also, here's a really good tweet by Genevieve. She says, would you invest in this business? Total debt, 31 trillion. Assets, 4.8 trillion. Annual revenue, 4.9 trillion. Annual income, $1.4 trillion loss. This is the U.S. government. Yeah, exactly. That's why he wants you to invest in other things that probably aren't going to do as well as Bitcoin because it's a set number. But let's go even further. Okay, Bitcoin is now up over 32% since Kramer said get out of crypto. So you kind of see in these guys, bankers, CNBC hosts, all these guys, they want you to stay really, really poor so they can make a lot of money from the baker friends that are paying them off to say what they're saying. Next up, the U.S. government has seized $700 million in assets and cash belonging to SBF. Did he say that he only had $100,000 to his name? Next up, U.S. announces $2.5 billion in new weaponry munitions for Ukraine. So this is pretty much money laundering. This is what foreign aid, this is what all these things are. It's all money laundering, and it's going to be used to keep printing and printing and printing for their banker friends and causing crazy amounts of inflation like you've seen nothing yet, okay? You've seen nothing yet when it comes to inflation. This year, I'm predicting that there's gonna be more currency being printed out of thin air than ever before. And some really good news. So now we're having Crypto.com says global crypto holders increased by 39% to 425 million in 2022. So the crypto market is growing. Bankers don't want you to know that. They want you to think that it's dead, that you're a goofball, that you're an idiot for owning these assets. But you have finally an asset class where people can get into that aren't going to experience hyperinflation, which is great, okay? And these big banks don't want you to know that. Anyways, that's all I have. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you later.